Two laser cleaners. One puts out 3000 watts, the other just 300. A tenfold difference in power. And yet both strip rust, paint, soot and grease straight off the surface. So which one do you actually need? We put continuous and pulsed laser cleaning side by side. Same dirt, same materials, and filmed the results. On the bench, the Wattsan CW Pro with a 3000 watt continuous source and the Wattsan PA with a 300 watt pulsed source. We tested them on different materials and removed every major type of contamination. This is Virmer. Check your subscription and let's get started. The core difference. Before the demos, here's the one idea that explains almost everything you're about to see. Heat. A continuous laser, the Wattsan CW Pro, keeps the beam on constantly. That makes it fast across large areas, but it pushes a lot of heat into the material. Stay in one spot too long and thin metal warps, paint ignites, surfaces scorch. A pulsed laser, the Wattsan PA, stores energy and releases it in short, concentrated bursts. Each pulse hits hard enough to lift contamination clean off the surface, almost evaporating it, without heating the base material. Slower over big areas, but far gentler on the surface. To manage that heat, the Wattsan CW Pro comes with a Relfar gun. Two mirrors sweep the beam in a moving pattern, so it never dwells in one place. Every Wattsan cleaning and welding machine ships with a Relfar gun. On the market, they're rated as the leader for quality and reliability. Rust and discoloration. Start with rust. The continuous CW Pro clears it fast, especially a thin layer over a large area. That's exactly where its power shows. The catch is heat. On thin metal, keep moving and watch your parameters, or the sheet will warp. The pulsed Wattsan PA takes the same rust a touch slower, but it never overheats the metal. Discoloration tells the same story. Those heat tint stains on steel. Set up correctly, both lasers wipe it off easily and cleanly. Paint on metal. Paint is where the two really split. Nitro enamel on metal. The continuous laser tends to ignite it, and the burn can leave soot on the surface. The pulsed Wattsan PA takes the same paint off in short bursts without setting it alight. Color matters too. Black comes off with both sources, but lighter colors, white and red, barely react to the continuous beam. The pulsed laser is the one that clears them. Thicker, brush-applied paint is harder still. Dense and deep, it often just ignites under the continuous laser, while the pulsed one works through it. Powder coating comes off too. The result speaks for itself. And once cleaned, the metal is ready for a new coat right away, with strong adhesion, a solid bond between paint and surface. Stone, brick, concrete and tile. Porous materials soak paint deep into the surface. To get them truly clean, you often have to take the very top layer off along with the paint, and that's most visible with the continuous laser. The pulsed Wattsan PA reaches into the pores better and lifts the paint with far less damage to the surface itself. The same goes for markers and graffiti, which is why municipal services now use laser cleaning against vandalism, and restorers use it on building facades and monuments without harming the stone underneath. Soot and carbon. Soot and carbon, after a fire for example, lift off brick and stone easily with either laser. Concrete is tougher. As with paint, the continuous beam may take a thin layer of material along with the soot, where the pulsed one leaves the surface untouched. Wood and paper. Wood really separates the two. Paint sinks into the grain, so the result depends on the wood, the paint, and the sanding. The continuous Wattsan CW Pro almost always scorches wood as it works. The pulsed Wattsan PA lifts the paint without burning it. Worth knowing when you're shopping. A continuous cleaner can look like it handles painted wood, if the wood was varnished before painting. Without that varnish layer, a continuous laser will usually ignite both the paint and the wood. And a neat bonus, the pulsed laser can evaporate print straight off paper, effectively bleaching it. Plastics. Plastics need a careful hand, especially with the continuous source. Linger in one place and you risk overheating, ignition, chipping, or a missing layer of material. The pulsed Wattsan PA is the safer choice for paint and dirt on plastics, polyethylene, and polypropylene. Grease and oils. Both machines also handle food and industrial residues, grease and oils, an area where the pulsed Wattsan PA is especially strong. Which one to choose? So which one? The continuous Wattsan CW Pro is built for industrial, large-scale work where the surface finish isn't the priority. Fast cleaning of big areas and thin layers of contamination is exactly its job. The pulsed Wattsan PA is for precision and delicate surfaces, statues and gypsum sculptures, wood, painted and thin metals, plus grease and oils. It removes thicker, more stubborn layers without touching the material beneath. If you're still not sure which type fits your application, our managers can walk you through it. You can also visit our demo hall in the Netherlands and see both machines working in person. Virmer's service engineers are available across Europe for installation, training and ongoing support in 7 languages. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. This is Virmer. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you!